So you've heard the term bonus stacking and want to know how it works. In this video, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it a little bit from the product creator side, but we're mainly going to talk about it from the affiliate side. The difference is the product creator is the one who creates a primary product. The affiliate is someone who promotes that product for them. So both can have these offer stacks or bonus stacks. So let me start. I'm going to pull up just a random product right here. This is the AI Business Builder Challenge. One of my favorite things to promote. And you can see they have their core offer is this 17-day AI online business builder challenge. Well, what they do is they have their main product. That's the main thing. And then as you go down a sales page, what a lot of really good product creators will do is they build in these bonuses. They say it's designed to be a psychological trick. Truthfully, let's be honest, it's part of the program. And then they say, no, these parts of the program are bonuses. And it's just trying to add more and more value onto what is already $17. So the idea is that the idea of bonus stacking is just, this is already good. I think I might want to buy this thing. Oh, but now there's another thing and another thing and another thing and another thing. If I already wanted to buy it, all these other things are going to make it even more appealing, right? So in this example, you're going through this challenge. You're going to learn how to build a online business with AI. And then here's a bonus AI strategy call. So now you get to hop on a call and talk to somebody. And, oh, now I don't have to have a funnel. So I have this other thing so like you can see what they're doing here, copy and paste database. So they're stacking these bonuses to provide more value to the core offer. Okay. So that is the generic idea of what bonus stacking is. But for the affiliate, what if someone's gone to this page and they say, oh, this is really interesting. I think this challenge would be fun to go through. I like these bonuses, and you review it for them, right? So, or I'll say I review it. So I tell them about this, why they should want it, what the result's going to be because they go through this, and the experience that I've had with it and what they're going to learn. And if they put it into action, like what the results, all this stuff, right? So you do a review of the product and you say, but if you buy through my link, not only do you get the 5-day challenge, you also get the 5 bonuses that they offer. But on top of that, you also get my bonuses. And so what I'm going to then do is come in and bonus stack again, right? The product creator did bonus stacking, and then I'm going to do bonus stacking on top of that. So I'm going to come in and say, okay, you're building this online business. Well, you're going to need traffic for your online business. So here's this course of how to get traffic with affiliate on TikTok. Here's this course on how to get traffic. Here, we'll actually just run through it. Here's my whole library of 300 plus bonuses. So let me grab one. GPT Store Exposed. So you are about to start your business. Well, if you want to do the tasks in your business significantly faster, you're going to want to understand how to find the right GPTs to speed your processes up, your email writing, your copywriting, your ad scripts, whatever. And not only are you going to want to find really good ones, you're also going to occasionally want to make custom ones. So I'm going to give you this bonus called GPT Store Exposed to show you how to both find really good GPTs that are going to make your life easier and create them when there's not one out there for you, right? So that's what we're doing. We're taking a already good product, which is then layered with really good bonuses, and we're adding even more value on top of it. Now, we do this for a lot of reasons, right? One, we do this because first off, other people are going to do it too. So I use this example a lot, but if you watch my content and you love me and you know, like, and trust me, and you like, let's say I've given you a ton of value. Maybe I've helped you even make money just because of you watched my free content here on YouTube. And you say, Jake, I see that you're promoting the AI Business Builder Challenge. I want to get it through your link. And so you're about to buy just because it's a thank you to me. But then you go over and see, we'll say Bob. You see Bob is actually offering a ton of bonuses when you buy through him. And one of those bonuses is this crazy new AI software that does this thing and it's worth $500 and it's actually being sold for $500. And you go, oh, Jake, I like you. I would like to do you this favor, but why would I not get this $500 free software that I can use in my business because Bob's giving it to me for free if I go through his link. So it attracts people to buy through our link as opposed to other affiliates. But also, on top of that, we're trying to create a really good experience with those who buy through us, right? So if you have an experience with some of my bonuses and like you buy the AI challenge and I give you 5 bonuses with it and you go through them and you're like, oh man, these are actually really, really good. My goal is, and I talk about this on my channel all the time, my goal is that next time you go to buy anything, software, when you go to buy another course, when you go to buy whatever product, you reach out to me at info@jakethornhill.com and you say, Jake, I'm about to buy this. Do you have an affiliate link and do you have bonuses? Because I love buying through you because you give me really good bonuses. So you provide value to your brand. Your brand looks good because of the quality that you're giving people, but people also come back and buy through you again because they know that you give them extra value and other people don't. That's why we bonus stack. Now, I have a lot of videos that go over this. Multiple that go over this, right? So you can watch this video. I use Bonus Builder AI and it talks about building bonuses. I have a review of the software. We'll talk about it for a second here. And this one down here also about my bonus strategy. You saw, like, I just filmed a video that isn't even live yet, but it goes over kind of my system for bonuses. So where I store my bonuses, how I like to create bonuses. This is a great software. In fact, if you go down in the description right now, it'll take you to this page, which is a review of Bonus Builder AI. That should say AI. Why did I not put that there? Anyways, you can see my review. You can click this button and learn about this software for yourself. I love this. If you've never created a bonus before, this software literally makes bonuses for you. And then it creates these bonus pages for you. This bonus page was made in 2 minutes. I gave Bonus Builder AI the link to the sales page. I told them which bonuses I wanted to use, and then it gave me the HTML. I copy and pasted it, and within 2 minutes, I had a fully functioning bonus page that I will add in the link to this description. And I can make like 20 of these in a single day. Used to be, it would take me hours to make one, but this software is really, really powerful. Also, on top of that, they have an upsell that's super cheap called Rapid AI Bonus Builder. And that allows you to get all of these products that are already done for you. And then you can actually go up into this one and say, hey, again, I'm looking to promote Bonus Builder AI. And what products of all these done for you products would be good to promote this. And then it will tell you the exact ones that you should use in this 100 free ones that you should use for this promotion. And then it builds it for you in 2 seconds. You copy and paste into your funnel. And now you have an awesome professional bonus page right here. And then when someone buys through your link, they email you. I'll actually do a separate video on this, different ways to deliver your bonuses. But I always like to say, email me your receipt, because then I get the opportunity to have a conversation with people too and ask like, hey, is there anything else that you need that I can help you with or whatever. So yeah, I mean, spits this out really fast. Highly recommend going down, checking out Bonus Builder AI. It's going to give you the free done for you bonuses. It's going to allow you to build bonuses really fast. And then it's also going to let you build these bonus pages really fast. There's never been anything like this. It's so cool. I love it because I do so many bonuses. In fact, like this isn't I promote a lot of stuff, but like this is something that legitimately I am using all the time. I had a list. I'm not going to pull it up. I had a list of like 30 products that I want to do review videos on, but it just takes so long. I got to pick my bonuses, and I have a lot, right? Like I have a bunch of bonuses, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to create some new bonuses, and because I want everything to be super tailored to the product that I'm promoting. But it takes time to do it. It takes time to make new ones. It takes time to decide which ones are a good fit for that product. And then it takes time to put it in some way that I can display it to you in a really clear and concise way. But for example, if you do buy Bonus Builder AI through my link, you get the high ticket affiliate funnel blueprint. I've done over $3 million in 1.7 in affiliate commissions, $3 million online. So I know what I'm talking about. Building a bonus stack that sells. Bonuses has been a massive part of my affiliate journey. AI prompts for explosive traffic and 50 high click-through rate email subject lines. If people don't click on your emails, they're not going to read them. Go figure. So you'll get all this for free when you email me at info@jakethornhill.com after purchasing Bonus Builder AI. Also, make sure to go down the link in the description. There's another link that is my free training to start hitting consistent 10K months. I love working with people and helping them do that, and that's a great resource to help you get started. If you want to learn more about any questions regarding affiliate marketing or specifically bonuses, let me know in the comments. I'm always thinking of new ideas. I post daily on this channel right now, so I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have and do a full video on it. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon.